Mheshimiwa Speaker, through you, let me recognize the right of this Honorable Senate to decide any issue, any question put to it democratically, which, Mr. Speaker, is what has happened. Arising from that decision of this Honorable Senate, Mr. Speaker, we as the legal team representing the Deputy President are not able to continue appearing without instructions. So we humbly and with a lot of respect take your leave, Mr. Speaker, and the leave of this Honorable House. Thank you.
Now, honorable senators, we shall move to hear the closing statements by counsel for the National Assembly. Clerk, you may now proceed to read the order.
Order number 3, hearing and determination on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, EGH, Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya.
Counsel for the National Assembly, the floor is yours. You have up to 60 minutes.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.